Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Take here 2D sketch and here we'll select the XY plane. This will be the front view. Take circle command. From the center point, make circle of dia 36. Okay, and make here circle of dia 54. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. Go to dimension, define the center to center distance of 82 mm. Finish sketch, take here extrude, select both the profiles, take here extrude of 25 mm and press OK. Okay, go to origin again, XY plane, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make a joining profile. Go to view, visual style, wireframe, sketch again, take the line command. We will start from here, make a joining profile here and one profile here and one like this, and similarly one till center and one till end and scale. Go to tangent constraint, select this, select here. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude, select this profile. Here we'll click on join and take a distance of 15 mm. Press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Go to 3D model. Go to part 4. We have constructed this base first. Now we are going to construct this slotted profile. Go to part 5. For this, we will select XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here, take the slot profile. Take center point arc slot. We will select this green center point. Make this slot profile here. Okay, go to dimension, define the arc radius 60, define this radius here as 12. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this center point, select this center, go to line command. We'll start from this till the center and make a straight line. Escape, go to dimension, define the angle between these two as 60 degree. Okay, and escape. Now select this line and select this line, make them construction. Go to line command, make one joining profile here. Okay, till the center and make one joining profile here. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now escape. Select this line, you can delete this and delete this. Now here we'll merge it till this line. Okay, go to sketch, project geometry, project this and escape. Now you can see a gap has been there. Go to coincident, select this and select this line. Okay, now here if it select the projected profile, finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. You can see projected profile is not working. Cancel, double click sketch 3. So here take line command, from here till this point make one line. Now here go to arc, take 3-point arc and make arc profile joining these two lines and escape. So here only the solid profile will be selected. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Now you can see it is selecting the profile. Take a distance of 8 mm. This will be also joining profile and press OK. Go to view, visual style, shaded with edges. Now here go to sketch extrude 3, sketch 3, turn on the visibility, 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, take extrude of 13 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select sketch 3, turn off the visibility, select this face, go to create sketch, take slot profile again, center point arc slot, from this center point, the green point, make one slot again. Okay, go to dimension, radius of 6. Now this is making it not proper located. Go to concentric constraint, select this profile, so this will be come on same center. Similarly this side, select this and select this. Finish sketch, take extrude, here flip the direction to cut, we'll take cut of 13 mm and press OK. So this will become a through cut. Okay. Now similarly, select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the whole profiles here. Take circle command, on this center make diameter 18 and here on this center make diameter 24 and scale. Now here this is constraint. Now this is not properly placed, so I'll select the center, okay, and drag the circle and place it on this yellow point. Now this is constraint. Finish sketch, extrude, select both the circle profiles, flip the direction and here I'll take all. So this will become a through cut. Press OK. Now go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 18, go to edge selection, select this corner and press OK. So it will give a circular profile. Okay, go to part 4. Now we have completed this portion. Now we are going to give this radius profiles. Go to part 5, go to fillet, take here a radius of 2 mm, go to edge selection and here select this edge, select this inner edge, select this, okay, rotate, select this corner, okay, rotate, and you can select here also and press OK. Now here go to chamfer, we'll define the chamfer of 1 mm distance, select here, select here, select here, here and here, rotate and select this also, this and this, rotate and press OK. Okay, now we'll give the appearance from here. We'll take a light blue wall paint glossy. Okay, for chamfer, if you want to define, select this chamfer command and here you can define aluminum plate. Okay, so it will change the color only for the command. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.